Okay.
Do you know how to turn it on? Turn it on and lift the...
Yeah, you better know what's going on.
Yeah.
You're looking at me to help you do that stuff. Ah.
How do you put the thing forward?
There's a... right there, yep. Step one. There you go. Raise the loader. That's good. You got to raise the deck and fold it if you're going to be... There you go. You gotta fold it. Should be the other one. Grandma Hanato and Stella are in the tractor. Jennifer's back. Stayed home this weekend, so it's just me and Stella, and they're gonna go mow Corral 2, top it off. There you go. There go the ladies. Good morning. Part-time weekend rancher, back at it. It's a beautiful morning. We got the cows in Corral 1 having their morning breakfast of salad. I read a joke which I thought was funny. There was a couple of cows eating a bunch of grass, and they're like, how much more grass do we need to eat before we lose weight? Dun-dun-dun. Anyways, the ladies are doing well. They got some flies on them, so I'm probably gonna give them some sweet feed this morning so I can spray them. I got batteries. I think the excavator's over there somewhere. We're gonna go change those out. Stella and I are here this morning. She just went that way with Grandma. They're in the tractor in the 15-foot cutter. They're gonna go over to Corral 2. I gotta go open the gate for them here in a bit, and they're gonna go just top it off, because in about a week we'll move the cows over there. They have arrived to the east gate. And she cleared the gate. Alright, I help them out, lower the wings, get the PTO going so they can start cutting. We got the cutter going, the wings are down, it's as high as it's going to be. Grandma's supervising, or should I say Stella's teaching Grandma. She's going to go do big circles and just top off corral number 2. I'm going to go fix the batteries on the excavator. There they go. Grandma and granddaughter mowing at the ranch. Gotta love it. Alright. What? Ready? Oh, why you got flies everywhere. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on, Cal.
Oh boy. Here, gal. Come on, lady.
I think I got the majority of them. Sprayed them hopefully to keep the flies off of them, poor things. It's getting cold. It's the middle of September or so, and hopefully the flies will go away, but they're pretty bad right now, or at least they were. Hopefully this spray works. Try to make them comfortable, reduce pink eye, or the possibility of pink eye. Got done checking on the cows, gave them some mineral, or refilled the mineral. Sprayed them with some fly away. They all look good. Hopefully we can get those flies under control. Hopefully it gets colder and then they sort of go away. Next project is replacing the batteries that we took out with some new ones that I need to figure out how to put them back in. I'm hoping this project isn't a hard or long project. It shouldn't take terribly that long. It's just plug and play, but I just gotta remember how to do it. I got the batteries hooked up, got the ground, the interconnect, and then the positive or the hot. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to go turn it on and see if that works before I put the plates on top that holds everything together. Wish me luck. Let's see if you can hear it. So we got power turned on. I got the screen. Put in the code. Here we go. Nothing. Now it's dead. Alright, let me go check the batteries. So as you can tell, it's running. I just reversed it. The wires were the other way. I don't know if it was just a loose connection or what, but I turned it on. I didn't think it was gonna work, so I didn't even film it, but turned on first time, so I don't know what's going on. I think Stella and Grandma are done. I don't hear it going anymore, so let me go check on them. But I think we're back in business. That was weird. So I think I know what happened. This terminal is larger than that terminal, and I actually had to sort of force that terminal on that one, and this one was loose there. So I think because it was loose, it arced, and I think the positive post is slightly larger than the negative post, or at least this terminal was, the clamp around there. So when it turned on, it didn't have the best contact, so it sparked and melted. Now that I rerouted them, they fit snugger and there is no loose terminal, so it didn't arc, and I think that's what might have happened. But I've turned it on and off a few times, and every time it works, so I think we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and just put the plates that sort of secure the batteries from jiggling around, and then I think we're done. Grandma and Stella have finished topping off Corral 2. So as soon as I'm done with the excavator, I'm gonna go take the tractor, do a couple of other areas that didn't get too close to the fence and around the trees, clean that up, and then do a couple of other things. So not too bad. At least the excavator's up and running again now. Almost done with the day. Just checking the game cameras. I still need to mow the casita. We'll do that here in a little bit. I let Stella actually go and find all the game cameras throughout the property, which she found them all, and she is, you can just put it back on afterwards. She's changing out the game cameras, so I think her new job going forward will be changing out all the game cameras when it needs to be done. I could feel pretty confident about leaving her alone, knowing that she can do that and how it all kind of works. Good job, Stella. You ready, John boy? You ready, John boy? Alright. You guys have been patient. Oh. I'm getting old. Yeah. Come on, Ray. Come on. Done for the day. I think it's a little after 5. Feeding the ladies. Still got a lot of flies on them. I don't know if you can see them, but we'll keep at it. The Gator broke. If you can see it over there, I had to pull it with the skid steer to get out of the road. Luckily it died right at the end. I don't know what's going on with it, but that's how it is sometimes. You fix one thing, something else breaks. It's actually been a while since we've had anything go down on us and break in a while, so I guess it's about time. There's a lot of things going down right now that are just little by little, so never fun, but just a part of ranching. I guess until next time, keep fighting time and Mother Nature.